Junkies. It is January 22nd, 2023. Woo! Time is flying by. What are you doing with your time? What are you doing with your time? Time is the number one currency, is what we say here at Cash Flow Junkies, because we are limitless badass leaders who will stop at nothing. Who will stop at nothing while building wealth for ourselves and our family. Being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality now. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more in this life. Welcome back to Cash Flow Junkies. I am Ellis Dudley. Some people know me as Cash Flow, and I'm claiming that right now. You guys can call me Cash Flow. Right? Got my name out there, so you guys can refer to me as Cash Flow. But we are here on our journey building 3,000, only 3,000 strong, limitless badasses who know we're going to get the hell out of here one day, who want to put balls to the walls. If you guys don't have balls, whatever, you guys get what I'm saying. You know, who are limitless, who are going out here, who are living life, who are rocking the socks off. I like to say this lately. We're rocking the socks off this life. So we are a group of limitless badasses who will stop at nothing. Today, we are going to be talking about the earned income credit. It is tax time. You guys want to know if you guys qualify. That's why you're watching this video. So we're going to check out some tables to see if you qualify for the good old earned income tax credit. Let me go ahead and open up my screen here for you guys so you guys can see what we have here. The earned income tax credit, it does have a sweet spot. It's not for your high net worth type of earners. These are for your workers out there, people who serve, people who are making these are the income figures right here. Let's go down to the table. These are the income, the max AGI, which is your adjusted gross income. So this is all your income from your W-2s, your businesses, your 1099s, all put together, all your business expenses against your business income netted together to your net income. That all goes into one bucket, and all your W-2 income. This is your adjusted gross income. If your adjusted gross income, you guys can read here, right, is below these figures, and you are single or head of household, you can receive up to $600 here if you have no dependents. So if you are just working and your adjusted gross income is below 17, around 18 grand, your adjusted gross income is below this number, file your taxes. You can get $600 refunded to you. So this is what this is saying. Then you go on, you guys can read, if you have one dependent, you can get up to around $3,900 in a refund and in a tax credit. If you are below these income thresholds, you have to have an adjusted gross income that's below 46, around 46 grand. And if you're married filing jointly, it's 53 grand. So you guys can read, right? To say stuff out loud to you guys, but the opportunity is there for you guys, for people who are looking to get some more cash, right? This is a benefit of our tax system here in the U.S. That we get this earned income tax credit. So I just want you guys to be knowledgeable about what you guys are qualified for. Going on, if you guys two dependents, you get around $6,600. If you have three or more dependents, you get around $7,400. You have to be under these income thresholds, though. Your adjusted gross AGI at line 11 on your 1040 has to be below these amounts. This column, if you're single, head of household, and then this column if you're married filing jointly. So that is a breakdown for you. The sweet spot, I think, is have 2 kids and be done. Right? If you have 3 kids, I don't know, the benefit, it's really no benefit there. Here is the ones that we have for 2022. The figures we have for 2022, we have a link in the description, and then we have the figures for 2023, which is this tax year, and then we have the figures for last year, which is our current tax year we're in right now. So we have a bit of an increase on the earned income tax credit. So the increase year over year, for those of you nerds out there who know what year over year means, 2022's earned income tax credit will be more next year in 2023, which is this tax year, by this amount. So if you have 0 dependents, you'll get 40 more bucks. If you have 1 dependent, you'll get 262 more dollars. If you have 1 dependent. If you have 2 dependents, this is why I tell you guys this is a sweet spot. You got 2 kids, stop after 2. You get an increase year over year. So in 2022, you only get 6,100 bucks. 2023, you get 6,600 bucks, which is a 440 buck increase year over year. And then if you have 3 or more kids, this is a year over year increase. You get 495 bucks is the difference there. So definitely file your taxes. If you guys are not a person to file your taxes, you're leaving money on the table, whether your employer is withholding federal withholdings on your paycheck, which is what's happening. They are federally mandated, legally mandated. They have to withhold a certain amount from your paychecks unless you file for an exemption, which you don't want to do that. Never file for an exemption unless you talk to your tax accountant, your CPA, to do that. But they withhold this money from you in the federal withholding, and you get this back as a refund. So it's always good to file your taxes. And then those of you guys who work and you guys are below a certain income threshold, they kick in some extra dollars for you. So take advantage of this stuff. Get on our website here at DudleyAccountingServices.com. Let's see, let's get it shared so you guys can see it. All right, get on our website here at DudleyAccountingServices.com. The link is in the description below. And we have our Limitless Leaders group meetup. So we have every Saturday at 12 o'clock, we meet with Limitless Leaders in real estate. You could be a business owner as well, but you have to be a badass. You have to be limitless. No excuses, no bullshit. This is where we come together, we get our shit together, and we hold each other accountable. So every Saturday, I pull up my calendar and my commitments and everything that I have to do for the week, and I share that with the group, and also people share their goals and stuff with us as well. So join our Limitless Leaders in real estate group. Again, these are Limitless Leaders all over the world. So if you're a badass, go ahead and join our group. I am looking to live more life with you this year. I definitely am. And also we have our free 10 to 15 minute discovery call, so you can book that with us. Let's see if we're aligned and see if we want to work with each other, whether you need tax preparation, tax planning, or you need your books clean. You don't have QuickBooks, or you don't have anything set up to that note. You don't know what you owe for taxes or anything like that. Go ahead and get on our calendar here for 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll iron out everything and see if we can add some value to your life. I want to touch you. I want to touch your life. I really do. I really want to touch lives. In this life that I have, I want to touch so many lives. I am on a goal to touch as many lives as I can this year. So if you're watching, I am looking to spend some more time with you via this live interaction, whether you see me in person, whatever it is. I'm looking to live more life with you. So definitely get on our calendar. Check out our YouTube channel at Cashflow Junkies at YouTube on our YouTube. I was about to say cashflowjunkies.com. We don't have a website for that, but Cashflow Junkies is our YouTube channel. Check that out. We share some fun tips on there for you as well. But we are building. We're building for generations. We are here being badasses, and we are shaking up our comfort zone. We are here. And my purpose in life here is to serve you and to serve well. So I'm going ahead and get out of here. I'll see you guys next Sunday. And you remain unstoppable. Let me get on full screen for this. So I get in the camera tip. You remain unstoppable. You tenacious badass. Peace.